Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp web documents not opening. If documents won't open on WhatsApp web, the issue is usually caused by your browser, internet connection, cache data, or the downloaded file. So here are the best fixes to try. So first, you can refresh WhatsApp web. So you can press Ctrl plus R on Windows, or if you're using Mac, you can click CMD plus R, then try opening the document again and see if that works. Next, check your internet connection. So click the Wi-Fi icon in the bottom right. So here you can turn this off for 10 to 30 seconds, then turn it back on, go back to WhatsApp web, refresh the page and see if that works. Next, clear your browser cache. So click the three dots in the top right corner, then scroll down and go to settings. Now on the left side, go to privacy and security. Then right here, select delete browsing data. Now in here, select the time frame, then click or check cache images and files, then cookies and other site data. Then click delete data to confirm the action. And once done, go back to WhatsApp web, then try if that solves the problem. Next is to disable browser extensions. So go to extensions, then temporarily disable your extensions. So once done, refresh WhatsApp web again, then try opening the document and see if that works. Now, next method is to download the document first. So instead of previewing the file, you can click the download button. So you can right click the file and click download, or you can also open the document from your computer using a compatible app such as Microsoft Word, Adobe Acrobat Reader, or another document viewer. Next is to try a different browser. You can go to Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or Safari if you're using Mac, then see if that solves the problem. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.